Being as small as it is, even though Insta360 incorporated a removable microSD card slot in the new Go Ultra, it still lacks the ability to replace the battery, limiting your overall runtime. That's understandable considering its size, but fear not, Insta360 have you covered with this neat little accessory, the Go Ultra FOMO Flexi Mount. I love the huge range of accessories for all of Insta360's cameras almost as much as I like the cameras themselves, and as small as the Go Ultra is, it can still be used in any way you can think of, thanks to all of its accompanying accessories, such as this FOMO Flexi Mount. On the face of it, it's a rather straightforward accessory. While the camera module charges every time it's docked back into its main pod, there may be times when you want to keep the camera module alone topped up, and that's where this comes into play. On the face are the Go Ultra's array of charging pins, which create a connection to the camera module when it's docked into place. Talking of docking, the magnetic connection is nice and strong too, but even though I have no fear of it coming loose while it's in use, it's always a good idea to attach a tether to the camera regardless. Anyways, this leaves us with a single USB-C port on one side where we can attach the included USB cable, which has this convenient right-angled design, and connect the other end to a power bank. By doing this, we can keep the camera powered while it's in use, providing even longer recording sessions. In fact, Insta360 supply the unit in a special power kit edition too, which comes complete with this power bank that sits around the back of your neck, creating a nice, neat and close connection to the Flexi Mount, and meaning no trailing cables to fumble about with, but providing up to 8 hours of constant shooting, depending upon your chosen settings of course. Overheating shouldn't be an issue either thanks to its venting holes around the entire device, but better still, it'll attach to all the usual magnetic mounts too, so you could have this mounted on your chest and capture footage for longer sessions without issue. In fact, that's exactly how I use this, along with the Ring remote and the camera's pre-recording mode active. This way I can tap the remote to capture footage as and when needed, knowing my camera is always ready and I'll never miss the shot. Saying that, the mount is versatile enough to be used alone too, thanks to a hinge design on the rear which can be angled so that the camera can freestand. Perfect for placing on a table while you capture yourself or for mega long time-lapse sessions. The weight of the camera will mean it'll topple forward though if placed at a full 90-degree angle, but a reusable adhesive pad is included in the package should you want to stick it down, which is a nice added touch. That's really all there is to this little mount. It's a simple, yet incredibly versatile accessory that turns the tiny Go Ultra camera into a powerful creator tool, letting you power it via USB-C while mounted, offering extended battery life, better airflow to prevent overheating, and new angles with its 90-degree adjustable stand, making it ideal for hands-free, discreet filming using the pendant mount, the power kit, or even as a mini tripod for long shoots without missing moments thanks to that pre-recording feature. Although it does add a little extra bulk compared to the tiny camera alone, if you find battery life a limiting factor when using your Go Ultra, you'll definitely want the FOMO Flexi Mount on your wishlist.